What'd you say, hon?
I said, you don't love me, just leave me. Go to the garage without me.
What?
I'm just playing your game.
My games? You said I don't love you?
No, you said, guess I'll go to the garage without you. You said, you don't love me.
Okay.
You can't wait 5 seconds. Because it's all about you.
It's about to get some power in here. Oh, snap. So we've got no power in here yet. We do have, look at this. My electrician was here today, put a box in. We've got a panel in here, so he's basically bringing in the service. We ain't got no breakers. So we're gonna have a 200 amp service and 1 plug. We got the lights going in from LITEZONE. Some of you guys were asking where I got these lights, but I'm going to put a link to where you guys can purchase these on Amazon. Let me get some light in here. All right. Welcome back to another Joyride video. Now that we got the light in here, let's check out this panel box. We should have power. They're gonna be back out here tomorrow, and I think they're gonna be trenching just to run the get the service in. We got a lot to do. I gotta get all this moved out tomorrow morning and clear out the garage so they have room to work. Finally getting the lights installed. Oh yeah, and it's like daylight, midday.
Yeah, so like if you were working on this truck, dude, you can see everything.
Wow. Yeah. Dude, that thing is bright.
You just sit here and work and not have to have other spotlights. That's awesome. I love
Yeah, those things are super bright, and they're not that expensive either.
Okay, so
It's how many lumens is this? So it's 28,000. That's
times 8.
Times 8.
Yeah, times 8.
Yeah. So that's gonna be a lot.
Oh yeah, it'll be bright now.
Got the first one mounted, and we've got all the boxes up. It's actually really dark out, but you can't tell. The lighting's actually pretty good on the camera.
We gotta see Lena.
Update on the garage. She farted on my hand. Did you fart on my hand?
Say no, that was Dad.
Oh my gosh, that stinks.
I think she wants me to hold her.
All right, you pick her up. She stinks.
Come here.
She wants down. Giving you guys an update on the garage, and it is dark, and I think it's perfect because we got electric. Our electric was just turned on. This is going to be the perfect opportunity to show you guys new lights. I've basically spent this entire weekend moving stuff into the garage.
You and Nelson.
Nelson and I, we basically just been moving my tire equipment. After we did that, we changed his tires. I'm so excited. It's been so long. She's excited. It's been so long since we've started building this garage. It's been a year, and we finally got electric. We can finally move into it. But it's never ending though, because obviously we don't have insulation yet. And there's still a lot more stuff to do. We will survive. Oh, I've survived this long. We've got lights out here too. You want to turn these ones on, huh? Just ignore the mess that's on the patio here. But yeah, so we've got these, and these are actually temporary, and they've got the little cage shield around them just to kind of protect them. And these were actually wired in for light and fan. So there's also a fan switch there, so we can add fans to it. We were pre-wired in for some floodlights, but we did not install the floodlights yet, because the main reason for that is I was just trying to keep the just trying to keep the electrical down on a certain budget. I will be doing a full video on full cost breakdown from like start to finish. I mean, I'm talking groundwork all the way up until we're done. I think the only thing that we haven't done is insulation and wall covering.
What do you think will cost more, electric or wall?
Electric for sure. Yeah, so we've got an exterior outlet right out here on the lean-to. Here's all of our lights. We're not gonna, here, don't turn this one on yet, because this one turns on our, I need to label them like I did in the house, but this one turns on all the garage lights. This one I believe is the fan. but we don't have fans yet. This one, turn this one on, Lena. Boom. So right here, we've basically got, here, you can't really see, but they've got those little like yellow, I don't know exactly what you call them. They're like little shield protectors just to keep stuff from hitting them. But these are temporary. We just basically just went with just like basic temporary lights until we finish the ceiling and go with something, you know, a little bit more decorative. This is gonna be our little kitchenette. So we've got receptacles. We've got a plug for the fridge. And then I also have another receptacle down there for an Instant Hot for a sink. This switch here, and it's a fan and light combo. And like I said, I've been moving stuff in. We've got plugs there, we've got a plug there, and then I've already brought my air compressor in here. And we've got a plug here for the air compressor. I've got it unplugged for right now. I did plug it in just to confirm that it works. It works. So today I've been running my airlines, and that's what that is an airline. And Lena and I, we went to Harbor Freight. Did we go to Harbor Freight in the Camaro? Did you ride in the Camaro today? We got some airlines, so I've been running airlines. There's 8 of these high bay lights. We put those in, and when we tested just one out, I mean, one of them basically lit up this entire garage, and you guys are about to see how bright this is. The previous video, we talked about these lights that we got, and I put a receptacle at each one. That way, if we ever want to go and change them out, all we do is just unplug them and then hang the new ones because they're just hanging on a little hook. There's 8 of these all the way down through. These things are super bright, and when I just tested one of these in the garage, it basically lit up the entire garage. These lights, if you're looking for them, they're LITEZONE is the actual company, and they're an LED high bay light. It's Dart series. I'll share the Amazon link in the description. So if you guys want to pick up a set of these or a bunch of them, they're pretty doggone sweet, and I'm beyond happy with them. I like the way they turned out. They're awesome. Even my electrician was thinking about upgrading the lights in his shop with a set of these. If you guys are local in the Shenandoah area looking for any type of electric to be done or looking for solar, my buddy Justin with Skyline Solar, he specializes in solar. He wired up the garage, and when I show you guys the work that these guys do, it is excellent. Like the way they routed their conduit and all their wiring, it's amazing. Like they really took their time and made everything really, really neat, and I was actually very impressed with the work that they did. Laura's Uncle Kevin is very, very particular about everything, and when he came through here trying to inspect everything, he was impressed. Uncle Kevin was impressed. That's when you know they do a good job.
He has high standards.
Very high standards.
We always seek his expert consultation.
Yeah, so we got to ask Uncle Kevin. He's the one we go to for all of our expertise. I should have really cleaned up the garage before we did this video, which I did have it kind of straight, but we've been moving everything. And
Which one is it? This one or this
yep,
one?
the second one. Yep.
Ready? You ready?
Not that one.
Right here. Do this one.
What you guys doing, the happy bright light dance? You dancing? These things are insanely bright. When you look up at them, you basically get dizzy. You start seeing like spots. The camera doesn't do it justice, but this really brightens this place up. So he put in a 200 amp service. So we've got a few breakers in there. We've got lots of space for expansion. And the conduit work that he did is just amazing. Like they did a really good job with the way all this conduit was bent, and they basically ran the conduit all the way down and added the receptacle boxes, and then we ran another line for the tire machines. They just did an awesome job. Look at these guys. The way they ran the wire for the lights, they actually stapled them on top, so you don't even see the wires anywhere. which makes it nice. This is the reel that I installed, but it's not hooked up yet. Got my air line down there, but we're gonna get this hooked up. We just pulled this out of my other garage. So we brought in the tire equipment. So we've got our tire changing station right over here. So right here is basically gonna be our tire changing station. So we've got the wheel balancer and the tire machine. So what I did was where my compressor is, I ran, you could see right up top there, I ran my air line all the way down, curved it down, and just kind of just screwed it to the column right there. Ran my air line to it. So I got my air line for my tire machine right there. And we're good to go. So this is my tire changing station. Yep, she's ready to go. Right here is the trench drain and the car wash bay. So all these outlets that we have over here, we're actually gonna change these to outdoor outlets with the little cover plates, or the cover or the shield, whatever you call them. We also added another light up in the loft. So we got a switch right here, but we put a light up here. We just did like one small light because this is just storage. So as you can see, we've already got this place full. We got lights. These things are super bright. If you guys are interested in these Dart series, these are LITEZONE, and absolutely love these things. It looks like daylight in here, and you guys can see the difference between the white light that you get from these, because it's more of like a white light, versus over here with these you get more of like a yellowy light. And this is like kind of standard what you see kind of in your home, and these are LED bulbs, but you could tell the difference. It is insane. Hey, yeah, when you walk out here just from the garage doors, look at the casting from the garage door windows of how bright those lights are.
Yeah,
that's insane. Those things are some bright lights. So we are making progress, but yet we still have a lot left to do. We still need to insulate and pretty much wall covering. I don't know what we're gonna use. I don't know if we're gonna just do like an OSB, or if we're gonna, I don't really want to do drywall. Hey Lena, the only spot I really think I might put drywall is maybe around the bathroom. The rest I may do like OSB, kind of like what you guys see up there. And this right here, I'm gonna hang some banners and stuff like that. And I do plan on moving my lift, the 2-post lift that I have in my home garage. We're gonna put it over here in this first bay. I was thinking about maybe later on getting a 4-post lift. Basically put the 2-post lift here in the first bay, and then maybe later on in that second bay over there, we might put a 4-post lift. Not sure, but then of course I already showed you guys, last bay's car wash bay, and this bay we'll just kind of use it for Laura's bus. Right now I'm working on organizing the garage, getting all my tools, because a lot of my tools are still over there. I just still need to bring it over here because I've been running back and forth for tools, so it'd be nice to just have everything over here. But then once we get the lift in this bay and all that and get completely organized in here, we are going to start working on the C10. I was actually going back watching some of the C10 videos and like, man, I need to get back to building the C10. Out of everything I have done, I think the C10 has probably been one of my most favorite projects. So we did bag it. We got some bags and a flat tire. We've just got a lot of stuff to do. So you can see there's the controls for the bags. We did put that on there. And we got an LS swap about to go in it. I still need to bring all that stuff over here to the garage. Basically talking about everything that we got planned. The lift is coming in within a few weeks, I think. 3-4 weeks. Uh-oh.
Lena wants you to fix my bus first, though.
Oh, fix the bus first? Before what?
Anything else. So I can use it at the farmer's market.
I broke her bus. I did feel bad.
I have empathy.
Whatever. I do feel bad about it. That'll be another video. What do you think? Oh, look at you. We're gonna bring this video to a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, check out the playlist on the channel, because that's where we kind of categorize all of our videos, kind of put them in order, like the garage build, the C10 build, and just any of the other fun vlogs that we do. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're bringing it to a wrap, but we do have more. This isn't the end of the garage build videos. There's always gonna be more. Lena, you wanna tell them bye-bye? Say bye-bye. No. See, she doesn't wanna say bye to you guys. Say bye. She ain't ready for this yet.
You want to watch Peppa Pig? Alright, thanks for watching, guys.
We will have more garage build videos.
We will have more garage. Why do we always have to do so many garage build videos? We should have greenhouse build videos.
Really?
I know that's what you guys want to see on my plants.
They want to see the cars. But we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.